of all, you understand IAS, IPS, and IFS.
Yeah.
Indian Administrative Service, Police Service, and Forest Service.
Yeah.
They are very similar in the role that they are territorial services.
Yeah.
We are all India services. So their territorial units have to manage that units. So in that regard, the administrative role is very similar. You have to be in charge of an area. There's a staff in that area. There are certain laws and regulations and rules in that area to make sure that they're implemented that way in that territory. And you have to be active in the field. So that way, I would say, very similar. Of course, the difference is there. Forest service is much more about forest. So you have to be very particular specialist in charge of forest area, forest, wildlife, the communities in that area. While the role of an administrative service officer will be a more holistic role. They'll be in charge of a lot of other things.
Yeah.
Forest land as such, a lot of, like in Himachal, around 60-70% is forest land, the government land. So that comes under direct early RR decision. But then, of course, the government laws will also be applicable in that. Administrative laws will also be applicable. So both of us are governing it in a certain way.
Yeah.
So that is there also. Police role is a bit different. Of course, it's about law and order completely. And a very strong force, and you have to make sure that that stays under control. And that again overlaps with these things also, because while forest service has its own uniform staff and we can exert our muscle power on the ground, but we do in terms of when you're tackling, say, forest crimes, when we're tackling some law and order issue that happens because of, say, human wildlife conflict, then we need the police force help also. So that is also something the overlap happens.